On video 3, I have my top here. I'm on my top view. If you're not on your top view, you can click your home icon up here. If that home icon is not popping up, this is a good time to ask Mr. Gannon for help here. But I want to go to my top again here. So top view, I'm going to go to create. I'm going to create a rectangle. This time we're going to create a 2-point rectangle. Notice the shortcut there is R. So I'm going to escape out of here and then press R. Now I'm going to create a rectangle on this edge, not in the corner here, but on the edge here, somewhere on the edge, and simply click and drag. Then we're going to dimension this. To dimension it here, this is our dimension, sketch dimension tool. Also the shortcut you can see here is D. D is my shortcut. I click here, drag out. I'm going to drag way out here just so I can see it. We're going to make this our parameter. Our parameter was set at the very beginning in video 1. Our parameter is ply, P-L-Y. Enter, enter, and it's going to make it the thickness of our plywood. Then I'm going to set this dimension and this dimension here. I'm going to set this to 0.5 or half an inch. 0.5. Then I'm also going to set this here, D, and dimension here. This dimension is going to become 0.5. Enter. And now I can see my dimensions here. I hit them, but I can see them again if I go right here. You can see all those different dimensions. FX means it's always going to be, if I change my parameter right now, this would change. Now I'm going to go here. So I have one rectangle. I want to go and get a home view. Actually, let's not get a home view yet. We'll get a home view. Home view of it. And now I am going to go to create. I want to mirror. I want to mirror this rectangle. I want to select my objects here. Notice here, if I click and drag with yellow, it's going to select everything. Okay, then if I click and drag with right, it's just going to select the objects that I'm just exactly over. So I want to just select that rectangle. And you can see how many objects that I have selected here. If I go to mirror again, okay, that went away, but I should have 8 objects selected. If you don't have 8 objects selected, you are doing something wrong here. But I'm going to go to top view. I can rotate this around here. And then again here, I'm going to go to create, mirror, select my objects a little bit easier on my top view. I select it with the orange, yellowish, and I can see I just selected that rectangle. Then I'm going to select my mirror line. I'm going to get a home view for this here, home view up top. Then I'm going to come over here and make sure my origin is on. I cannot visually see my origin. This is right here. And I want to select this right here. So select this line. And you can see what it does. It mirrors it directly across. Click OK. One last time here. Sorry about that. I'm going to go back to my top view. I'm going to rotate around here. I want to select create. I'm going to select mirror again. I want to select my objects. So I want to select these objects here. And I want to select these objects here. And this time, I'm going to select my mirror line, go home, see it, bam, right here on my right side, because that is this axis right here. So it's mirroring across this center axis right there. I click OK, and then I can finish my sketch. Last thing we're going to do on this video, I'm going to get a home view up top here. You can also, you can also use your trackpad to move around here. You can orbit around this object a little bit better like that if you want to, with 2 fingers down. You can also hold the shift key and your mouse icon, and this allows you to orbit around your object too. You can also see some tools down here that you can take a peek at. But I'm going to get a home view again, and I want to extrude this, E for extrude, okay? Or you can come on up here to create, and you can see extrude is right here. This adds depth. Okay, I want to extrude what I see here in the center, the whole blue area. So I click on that, E, and I'm going to extrude this the distance of ply. And P-L-Y for ply, plywood, right there. This here is now our top piece that we're going to work with for our drawing. This is the end of this video.